Wait, just pose on your board.
I'll pose the other way. This isn't how I skateboard.
Wait, I missed it because I shook from laughing. Hold on. Okay, do it again. Oh, precious.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, hold on. Here we go. I think I'm goofy footed. I'm right in front, which is, I don't think isn't right. Anyway. Hold on. How did I do it that whole time? I just wasn't thinking about it. Take two.
You're doing good.